Hello everyone. In this video we are going to discuss about uh, a distribution static asynchronous compensator, that is a DStatCom in detailed model. In this previous video it shows the average model to use to regulate a 25 kilowatt distribution network. It's also VSC based energy conversion system, previous one. Here also there is a shunt capacitor used for power factor correction, and also the anti-aliasing filters used for voltage and current acquisitions, and there's 10,000 microfarad capacitors acting as a DC voltage for the inverter also. Here, what is the specialty of this detailed model includes a detailed representation of power electronics IGBT conversions here. Here, for example, here we are choosing here previous one having IGBT voltage source conversion. Here here you can choose this DStat controller. It's a different one. It's a in type of bridge network. We are choosing power electronic devices are IGBT diodes. This average model shows average model based VSC systems. Here one more option is available here, switching function based VSC. Here in this example to represent to observing harmonics and control system dynamic performance over relatively short period of times, typically hundreds of milliseconds into 1 second. For that we can use power electron devices as IGBT device here in this model. Here also the same thing, the programmable voltage source block is used to modulate the internal voltage of the 25 kilowatt equivalent by running the simulation here. The voltage observe the scope 3 variation P and Q at the bus B3. The first trace we are you can see here, this first this is scope 3. In this scope 3, in the variation of P and Q at bus 3, that is a B3, the first trace source as well as voltage at buses B1 and B2. It is a trace 2, it shows here, there is a blue color. Without this DStatCom, B3 voltage varies between this 0.96 pu and 1.04 pu, that is a plus or minus 4 variation is there. Now move to this in the DStat conversion controller. This is a DStation converter controller. Change the model of operation parameters back to voltage regulations. Here mode of operation is changed to voltage regulation. Now and restart the simulation. You can see previous one, this Q regulation. Q regulation we can change this one. You can analyze the output at this scope 3. We can see again run the model, because we are using Q regulation here. Here now we can see it start with this 0.96 value. There is a without a DStation controller, the B3 voltages varies between 0.96 pu and 1.04 pu. That is a plus or minus 4 variations here. Now the same thing, you start with this DStat controller with voltage regulation. What will happen, you check. Now we can run this block, rerun this simulator. You can now it has some plus or minus variation. Now the DStat controller change the voltage mode operation parameters back to our voltage regulation and restart the simulation. Now observe the scope 3, that voltage fluctuation at B3 is now reduced to plus or minus 7.7 plus or minus 0.7 percentage, so that again you can see the remaining scopes. It's for, you can see here, here itself you can analyze this one. Analyze the output here. Here also you can see the scope 1. You can analyze the phase voltage and the current waveforms, as well as the control voltage in scope 2 also there. Here what is the objective of this detailed model is the DStatCom compensates voltages by injecting a reactive current modulated at 5 Hz here. rated current at 5 hertz. This is trace 3 and trace 3 of the scope 3. Now it is, this is a scope 3, the 5 hertz. The D station compensates voltage by injecting a reactive current modulated at 5 hertz and varying between 0.6. You can see the varying between 0.6 PU capacitors when voltage is low and 0.6 PU inductive when voltage is high. These are application of this VSC based application. There is a voltage source converter based energy conversion systems. It also regulates regulates the voltage on a 25 kilovolt distribution network here. This is an example for design and analysis of distribution static synchronous compensator, that is a D-stat compensator using this MATLAB Simulink model example. Okay, I have also provided this MATLAB Simulink file in our YouTube channel in description box. Kindly download it. You can change the D-stamp controller and observe the outputs here, voltage regulation and all things you can change here. Also you can do bridge network. Here also you can change the bridge network. There's a power electronic device, IGBT modular, GTO, MOSFET, ideal switches, average model based VSC. All the things are possible here. Measurement, voltage measurements and device currents and UAB, UBC, UCA, UDC voltages and all voltage and currents. You can also you can add number of bridge arms 1, 2, 3. Then I am using this 1, 3. You can also these blocks, universal bridge blocks, you can select. It is available in bridge of selected power electronic devices. Here by using this model you can regulate this one. The same thing available in previous one, that is for average model, the D-STAT-COM average model. Here these are PWM converter model is also there. Here this for especially for representation of power electronics IGBT conversion. This model is well suitable for observing harmonics and control system dynamic performance over relatively short period of times, that is typically hundreds of milliseconds to 1 second. Okay. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much.